Ready to dive into the wild world of Solana meme coins from the UK? First, a crucial disclaimer: meme coins are incredibly risky. You could lose all your investment. Only invest what you can afford to lose and do extensive research. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange that supports Solana, like Kraken, Coinbase, or Binance. Remember to check if they operate in the UK and what their fees are. Step 2. Complete the verification process. This usually involves providing ID and proof of address. It's a necessary step to comply with regulations and secure your account. Step 3. Buy Solana SOL. You'll need SOL to purchase meme coins on the Solana network. Fund your account with GBP using a bank transfer or debit card, then exchange it for SOL. Step 4. Access a decentralized exchange, or DEX, like Radium or Orca. These are the platforms where most Solana meme coins are traded. Connect your Solana wallet, such as Phantom or Solflor, to the DEX. Step 5. Swap SOL for your chosen meme coin. Carefully enter the correct token address to avoid scams and slippage, which is the difference between the expected price and the price at which the trade executes. Step 6. Monitor your investment closely. Meme coins are highly volatile, so regularly check your portfolio and be prepared to sell if necessary. Finally, for long-term storage, consider transferring your meme coins to a hardware wallet for added security. Buying Solana meme coins in the UK can be exciting, but remember to prioritize research, security, and responsible investing. Happy trading, and stay safe out there.